Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where iPhone tips and features are explained clearly and simply. This guide will show how to assign different notification sounds to individual apps on an iPhone, so each app can have a unique alert tone. This can help you quickly identify which app is sending a notification without looking at your device. Here's what we will cover: setting notification sounds for built-in iPhone apps, adjusting notification sounds for third-party apps, tips for apps that do not allow custom sounds. Let us get started. Step number 1. Set notification sounds for built-in apps. Most built-in iPhone apps allow you to customize notification sounds directly from the Settings app. Open the Settings app from the home screen. Tap Notifications. Scroll through the list of apps and select the app you want to customize. Once selected, tap the back button to return to the list of apps. Next, you can repeat the process for another app, such as Messages. Tap Messages. Select Sounds and choose a different notification tone. This way, each app can have its own unique notification sound. You can repeat these steps for as many built-in apps as you like. Step number 2. Adjust notification sounds for third-party apps. Some third-party apps do not allow changing the notification sound from the iPhone Settings app. For example, if you open Instagram, even when notifications are enabled, the iPhone settings will not offer a sound customization option. For apps that do allow custom sounds, open the specific app, such as Facebook Messenger. Tap the menu and go to Settings. Select Notification and Sounds. Tap Text Tone or similar options to choose a notification sound. Once selected, the new sound will apply to that app. You can repeat the process for other third-party apps that support custom notifications. Step number 3. Tips and considerations. Not all third-party apps allow custom notification sounds. Some apps only let you enable or disable notifications entirely. Always check the app's internal settings if you want to assign a different notification sound. These steps work for both built-in and supported third-party apps. By following these steps, you can have a unique notification sound for each app, helping you quickly identify alerts without looking at your iPhone screen. And hey, this video by Wireless Solutions is meant to help and inform you. All steps shown use safe and publicly available features of iPhone devices, iOS, and trusted apps. Since every iPhone and software version can be a little different, your experience may vary. Take your time, explore the settings carefully, and make changes only if you are comfortable. We are here to guide you every step of the way. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And please, don't forget to subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.